Today we are learning two things. There is, there are, there is, there are. Two phrases. When we're using there is, it's for one singular noun. Cat, cat. Article, a cat, a cat. There is a cat. There is a cat. When we're using plural, a group of nouns, we use there are. Here's my example. Birds, birds. Because there's two birds, we don't need a birds. We don't need the article. All we need is the noun. There are birds. There are birds. Bear. Or sometimes younger ones say teddy or teddy bear. Singular. We need the article. A. Teddy bear, a bear. Singular. There is a teddy bear. There is a bear. There is. Singular. Pig. It's a big pig. A big pig. We sometimes call that a hog. A hog or a pig. I would call it a hog, but for this lesson we'll keep it simple. We'll call that a pig. A pig. Oh, I've used the article there. So is it there is or there are? A pig. What do you think? You're right. There is a pig. Books. Books. There's no article there. 1, 2, 3 books. There is books or there are books. What do you think? There is. There are. Books. Well done, yes. There are books. Well done for those who said that right. T-shirt. 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 There are T-shirt. There is T-shirt. What do you think? Well done. See if I'm right. There is T-shirt. Is that right? Is singular noun. 1 T-shirt. There is T-shirt. Why is that sentence not right? Because I'm missing really important article. A. There is a t-shirt. If you want to extend that sentence, you could add the colour of the t-shirt. Blue. So instead of saying this is a t-shirt, you could say this is a blue t-shirt. Blue t-shirt. Colour before the noun. And we'll look at that sentence structure with adjectives in another lesson. Okay, here's a good picture. I'm looking at the boxes. The boxes. This is a boxes. There are boxes. What do you think? Well done. There are boxes. What about the apple? Apple. Will that go there? Apple? Or will it go up here? There is a apple. Good, well done. It goes up there. Now, looking at this article, is that article correct for a? Apple. If you've looked at my other lesson on articles, a or an, we need that an there if the next noun begins with a vowel. So this is a for apple. There is an apple. Must have an as the article and not a. Two vowels cannot meet. Okay, they are not friends. Two vowels together are not friends unless they are in a digraph. And I've done digraphs in previous lessons. Okay, let's have a look at the last two sentences and then it's over to you. Here we are. We've got two Minecraft figures. Steve and Amy. Steve and Amy. Steve and Amy. Minecraft figures. Minecraft figures. There is a Minecraft figures or there are Minecraft figures. Well done. Because there's two of them, it's going to go there. There are Minecraft figures. Well done. Okay, here's another character. Put these in for the younger viewers. Mario. 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 There is Mario. There are Mario. What do you think? Where do we put Mario? Mario is singular. There's only one. It's just by himself. There is Mario. Do we need a Mario? Or can we put there is Mario? We can because it's the name of a person. Ah, look. Look. There is Mario. Hello, Mario. We don't need a in front of Mario because it's a person and it's a name. Okay, now there's your examples. Now it's over to you. Now it's over to you. I'm going to show you a picture and you're going to tell me there is a or an and there are. Show you the picture. Dogs. Dogs. Look at how many they are. I'm saying it with an S on the end. Dogs. Which one is it? There is a and there are dogs. Leave that with you. Here's Mario's friend. Luigi, Luigi. There is, there are. Where would you put that? Next one. Banana, banana. There is, there are. Banana. The last one we're going to look at today. Kiwi, kiwis, kiwis. There is, there are. Kiwis. Now, I hope you've gone through those. We're now going to check the answers. First of all, we had our dogs. Dogs. 2 of them. There are dogs. There are dogs. You did right. Give yourself a clap. Mario's friend, Luigi. There is Luigi. There is a Luigi. We can have, but it's better if you just say, there is Luigi. Look, there is Luigi. Well done if you did that one right. Banana. Very yummy. There is a banana. There is a banana because banana begins with a consonant B. So we don't need an. B for banana. Kiwis. It's my favourite fruit. I like eating kiwis. Kiwis. 2 of them. So there are kiwis. Hope you've enjoyed today's lesson using there is and there are. If there's any more suggestions on what you want me to cover, just drop me a message below or use the community box on my channel. I've left a poll on there for what do you want me to cover next. Okay, but if you've really enjoyed the video, don't forget to give that like a little click, and if you want more videos about lots of lessons that I've covered using plural nouns, articles, pronunciation of the alphabets and blending, subscribe to my channel and you get lots of learning. Okay, thank you for watching today. See you soon. Bye bye.